Hey everyone, short video here today in our lesson number 14. Listen, I know you like the longer videos, all that kind of stuff, but people, we just want to get the information out there to you. So let's get on down to what we are after, and what we are after is example number 1. All right. So the idea of taking a table and then graphing it here. So I'll save you from reading through everything here. Pretty much what they've got here is they've got a team that's getting on a train, and what they're finding here is that in the hours, it takes 100 miles to go the 1 hour. Okay, so 200 in 3 hours, 300. All right, 400, yeah, 500. So filling in the table, nothing new that's there. What they want you to realize, though, is that the ratio does make an ordered pair, so we can graph it. So that is the ordered pair 1, 100. The ordered pair 2, 200. Go ahead there. Fill it on in. You can race me. Just don't pause. That's not fair. That'd be cheating. All right. So we've got our ordered pairs that are down there. So, okay, that's it. We can take the ratio table and we can make them in ordered pairs and graph them. Now, all we're going to do now is make sure that we label our graph appropriately there. So the first number is our x coordinate. So it goes on the x axis. And you can see there, that's our hours. So we are going to label it here that, hey, these guys, our hours, our, O-U-R, hours, H, yeah, all right. And then on the y-axis, it's going to be our second number. So again, your y-axis there. And in this particular case, it was the miles. So M-I-L-E-S. There we go. I guess I could have turned sideways there, but all right. So yeah, we can graph. So use your elementary school analogies here. The plane has to go down the runway before it takes off. You've got to walk into the elevator before you can go up or down. That's my favorite one. All right. So yeah, we're gonna graph the ordered pair 1, 100. Now, I don't want to cram this all in and tightly there. We kind of saw this before when, oh, I'm sorry, we didn't see it before. Okay. But cramming things into a little section just doesn't work out very well. So we can do some skip counting here to space things out. Like I only got to get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe what I'll do here is, all right, we've got a 0. And then I'll say, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, put a 1. 1, 2, 3, on the fourth one, put a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, put a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, put a 4. The whole idea, 1, 2, 3, 4, is that I'm being consistent. I'm going 4 spots, writing my number down. Going 4 spots, writing my number down. And we'll do the same thing that's on the other one that's there, the 100. So 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth one, 100. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 300. Feels like that could be a song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 400. Not a very good song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. That's there. All right. So plot your points. I'm going to go to the right one up to 100. All right. To the right 2 up to 200. All right. To the right 3, we're going to go up to 300. To the right 4, I'm going up 4. You guys remember graphing from elementary school, right? Right? I think I got myself lined up there. Go to the right 5, all the way up to 500. That's there. All right. All right. And I put a little kind of like arrow on the end to show that it keeps going because 5 hours, 6 hours. The idea with the graph here is we can see there's stuff that's going on between it. So the question, if we get back into it, was like, hey, meal service, it starts, after they're 250 miles away from the destination there, away from Yonkers. So that's where they started at. What's the minimum time? Okay, so the idea is I can go to my miles, go to 250. So that's going to be in between. And what I can see here is where I'm at hours wise. Oh, I'm in between the 2 and the 3. Okay. So in between 2 and 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 30 minutes, however you want to say it. I'm going to say 2.5 hours. But the main thing there is our table, it's tough to read what's in between there. So when we graph, we can see there is stuff that's in between there. So they might ask us a question like, hey, when you go 480 miles, how long does that take? Well, we can go about to where 480 is, get on over to our graph and realize, okay, we're almost at 5 hours. Now, I can't get a specific because if my line's a little bit bumpy, it throws it off. But I get a very good idea of, oh, it's going to be close to 5 hours. All right. So again, it helps us what's in between. There we go. I've said enough, people. You are done here. Like I said, if you need more, hey, feel free. All right. Move on. Redo a lesson if you want. Yeah, I know. That was kind of funny. We'll see you.